Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublay fi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka election siya ka Lok Sabha ka Lapantri kam hadin ka ECI ka panjari da ka model code of conduct bat ki Kyrtong ki baya khon ki long ki bala pankre. Bun ki kanhun ki penlong ya ka jinyatanya ya kanongrem ki lapun kre ban khot ya ki Kyrtong bat ki sengsang perthai ban pensengo ya kamat election baki yang. Katnat politikal jong ka Sankardev Kolej kaladep ban penlong ya ka senup sum on parliamentary political but political participant ya ki Kyrtong ki ba yakun election ban ay ki sumbo jing yakren ka ka badon ha ka donut bat ka jabing ban pensyong lani ban pensengoy ki paiba napdang ki Kyrtong ki belawan sim bentah ha ka jinyatai pen inya ya kamat election jong kisan pertai ka kantup ya ka kongres balami da usamla Manuel Badwar ha ka jaka u Kyrtong ba Vincent H palah UMP na kasang UDP HSPDP ka RDA laidon hi u Kyrtong uyamon lang Robert Jun Karjarin na ka BJP lawan sim benta da uba H Karkrang Kyrtong simet ula sim benta ha kajin nyatanya. Tangkasang National People Party kamla shwan sya jingkhot jong ka Sankardev Kolej ban sim benta. Jingkhot jong ki samla pule ka Sankardev Kolej ya ki Kyrtong ya kun election MP kalong ban yo sngo ka ka badon na ka sentur jong ki ban yathu sya ki pajba ka jela ya ka jintmu yakun election bat kinongrim. Katnat political ka Sankardev Kolej kalapan kre yaki suki nakabanta ki Kyrtong banwan kasang NPP kam syam lapha yano na kasang mikmat bat ka BJP kam don Kyrtong bat kasang BJP na Delhi kampat jet Kyrtong yano ban ay.
To sum up, we will allot 2 minutes each.
So just words, I think, thank you.
And they aim to make the Indian economy the largest. Selection or the allotment of tickets is properly scrutinized, and the allotment of tickets.
Unparliamentary language. The point is, why? We are trying to, the first day itself, you will have the real and unparliamentary language. The point is, why? We are trying to, the first day itself, you will have the real and
the prevalence of health, the efficiency of the public schools, and the number of people.
So just words, I think, thank you.
To sum up, we will allot 2 minutes each.
Ecosystem of robust revenue growth has resulted in an increase in revenue collection and appliances. Looking back, our coming over the Northeast and Bihar is one of the states which will be benefited.
As our political and policy greater economic good of the country as a whole. Restoring dynamism, people will be bringing back the BJP power. They know and they have seen what this.
And I hope that you all should be a part.
And if you ask me, if I was a layperson, I would
Will ensure that this MP that you vote from the BJP, that he, the prevalence of health, the efficiency of the public schools, and the number of people.
Elaborately on few of the things that